Hey guys, it's Steve here at Hankster's Hot Rods, and before we get to our newest addition to our inventory, I'm going to go over some new things that we're doing here at Hankster's. If you want to purchase a vehicle from us, say you see a vehicle on the website, it doesn't have some of the features you would like it to have, maybe it doesn't have disc brakes, maybe it doesn't have power steering, maybe it doesn't have fuel injection, air conditioning, maybe you want to change the hood, wheels and tires, graphics, gauges, so on, exhaust packages. We can do that for you here. Just give us a call. We'll get a quote on what it would cost to get that done for you and make that car just perfect for you. We also want to remind everyone that we have shipping and powertrain warranty included on most of the prices of our vehicles on our website. Shipping is within the 48 states. Our powertrain warranty is 3 months or 3,000 miles. Engine, transmission, differential, internally lubricated parts only. Of course, if you're getting a four-wheel drive vehicle from us, it would be the transfer case and the front differential as well. We also will remind everyone, we do have financing on our website. If you go next to all the cars on our website at www.hanksters.com, you're going to see a financing tab next to all those cars. You just click on that tab, fill out the application, hit submit or enter down at the bottom left, gets sent to us, we send it out and we go from there. Also, if you'd like to go on YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel, you can see our current videos of our vehicles, some of our vehicles from our past vehicles to get sense of the inventory that we bring in here at Hankster's Hot Rods. Well, without holding off any longer, we're going to get to our newest addition. What we have for you here is this beautiful 2003 Ford Mustang Mach 1. First thing you notice about it is the paint. It is in the correct color of torch red that it had come in originally. Paint is very smooth, got a nice shine the whole way around. Second thing you'll notice is the wheels and tires. It does have the correct heritage wheels, the aluminum alloy wheels that had come on it originally, which are also Mach 1 specific. The other thing you'll notice is my favorite part about these cars is the shaker hood, which we'll get a good shot of that again as we come around and open the hood for you. We're going to come back to our first gap, driver's side, fender to door. Gap is just spectacular on this. It's a fairly newer vehicle. The gaps line up right on the money, and so do the body lines. We got the Mach 1 decal stripes on the bottom in matte black. That, of course, is on both sides. We also have the lower rocker molding ground effects there as well. Our driver's side windshield, no cracks in it, in great shape. We do have a couple of minuscule tiny chips here and a little tiny one there, but overall very beautiful. We do have the dual matte black sport mirrors. And our driver's side glass, no chips and cracks there. Of course, this is tinted. Coming back to our second gap driver's side, door to quarter panel. Very even going down, and as just like the front one, the body lines line up right on the money. Of course, you've got your quarter vents there as well. What I'm going to do now is open up the driver's side door. We'll go over the interior from this point of view. Interior is fantastic condition. You got the leather bucket seats in the front. All the seats have the comfort weave style. And reminiscent of the old Mach 1s would have had that as well. You got the Mach 1 specific instrument cluster there, the dash, all the carpeting, the dash, the steering wheel, your center console is in fantastic condition. Moving along, come along to the back of the car. Back window, no chips and cracks. Of course, we do have the rear defrost there as well, and you can see the Mach speakers there through the window. Our trunk gaps on both sides are nice and even in parallel. We've got the Mach 1 wing with the in matte black. Back of the car here, our rear bumper valence is in fantastic shape. You got the two chrome tips sticking out for the dual exhaust. Our tail light lenses are in fantastic shape as well, no cracks there. And we have the Mach 1 emblems back here in the back tail panel. What I'm going to do now is open up the trunk. We'll go over everything in here. We do have a remote for the vehicle. Inside the trunk here, underneath, of course, is body color. Inside our jam, fantastic condition. Our weather stripping, like brand new. Down here in the floor, we have the floor mats for the vehicle here. You can see that the carpeting inside the trunk, just really awesome shape. Like no wear, which very low vehicle like this, it should not have any. Down here we have the donut spare for it. You can see that the floor is also in fantastic shape. And you can see here that the trunk light does indeed work. Moving along, coming to the passenger side. Again, the paint, really nice on the car, nice high gloss, nice shine and smooth the whole way around. Our passenger side glass, no chips and cracks here. We got a tiny little chip there, a little minuscule one. Of course, this is tinted. Our first gap passenger side, nice and even going down. You can see our body lines line up right on the money there. What I'm going to do now is open up the passenger side door. We'll go over everything from this point of view. You can see the carpeting, the seats, the dash, center console, all in fantastic shape. Really nice inside, just like the exterior. Moving along. Second gap passenger side, our door to our front fender. Again, just like the others, the gap's right on the money. The body lines line up nice and on the money as well. Passenger windshield, no chips and cracks. Hood gapping parallel to the fenders, nice and even the whole way down. And of course you can see the front of that hood there, the match striping to match the other stripes on the car with that shaker. Front bumper fascia, really nice shape. You got a couple little defects here where the plate mounts, but overall really nice. Lower black valence there. The grille area is in great condition. Of course your horse there, your headlights all in great shape. I don't see any cracks or anything on those either. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop the hood and we'll go over everything in the engine bay here. Underneath the hood here, of course, that's in body color. All your material, your fire material, all fastened really nice, all in great shape. And of course, you got your shaker there. Get a good view of it here. We have the GLT intake here. This is what we have here, engine-wise, is the 4.6 liter 32 valve Mach 1 engine here, 305 horse, 320 torque. Very nice package. Of course, you have power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. More than enough power here to make this thing go down the road very nicely. And of course, who doesn't like a shaker hood? That's my favorite part about the whole car. What we're going to do now, guys, is we're going to put this up in the air and go over everything on the undercarriage for you. Hey guys, we got our Mach 1 up in the air. We're going to go through the undercarriage as we do with all of our vehicles, starting at the front. Your suspension, so on, your control arms look to be of a stock style. Everything looks pretty much stock and original under here. We do have disc brakes on the front and disc brakes on the back, so all four wheels are disc brakes. We have a front sway bar here. We also have a rear sway bar, which we'll see as we get back there further. Our front cross member here looks really good. No holes, anything in that, looks really good. Our support bar here, our belly bar, looks really good. Our front sections of our frame look good. And look good. We do have dual exhaust coming off our stock style manifolds. Here's your cats going into the dual exhaust with the crossover pipe, and we'll get to see a little more of it as we get back there further. Our flooring, all the floor underneath this car looks fantastic. Everything looks great. You got all your, everything is just so clean. All your embossments, your drains, all your connections, your sealer, your welds. You can see everything perfectly. The floor is in really, really nice shape under this car. It is just great. Moving back a little further. Right here you will notice this car does have frame connectors. However, these are factory bolt-on frame connectors. These are what came with the vehicle. And you see they are bolt-on, so they are removable, but they did come factory with the vehicle. Here's our dual exhaust. Here's our crossover pipe. Comes back here in the dual mufflers, which are Magnaflow mufflers. These are not the stock mufflers. These are aftermarket. They are Magnaflow. We have balanced drive shaft. Here's our rear sway bar. Our input seal and our rear gear set seal, nice and dry. And we'll get to see a back shot of that in a moment. We do have the links on the back of the vehicle. Look good. Look good in the upper links. Also look good. Everything is so clean. The floor up above the differential here, just fantastic condition. Everything is very, very nice under here. Coming around to the back of the differential and so on, you can see nice and clean. Still got our tags for our fluid and our codes still there. Disc brakes in the back, as I had mentioned. The flooring up above the differential That's also fantastic condition. Here's our dual exhaust, comes out, comes back into chrome tips. Our fuel tank here, straps, look good. Look good. Our rear frame sections, look good. And look good. All in all, it's fantastic condition under here. Everything just looks great. What we're going to do now is we're going to drop it down, fire the engine up so you can hear it run.